Welcome back to our video where we help you transform your home with amazing ideas. Today, we are going to show you how to bring life and freshness into your home with beautiful hanging plants. Indoor hanging plants are a great way to decorate your home and some greenery and purify the air. There are so many different types of indoor plants that can thrive indoors, and we will show you some of the most amazing ones. But first, let's talk about creating your own hanging planters. This is a fun and creative way to personalize your indoor plant decor, and we will show you how to make a simply DIY hanging planter. Now that you have your planter, let's fill it with some of the best indoor hanging plants. One of your favorites is the string of pearls plant. It's a unique and beautiful plant that looks like a string of pearls and is perfect for hanging planters. Another great option is the pothos plant. It is a low maintenance plant that can survive in low light conditions, and it's great for purifying the air. If you are looking for something a bit more exotic, try the bird's nest farm. It has a unique look and adds a tropical vibe to your home. These are just a few of the amazing indoor hanging plants you can choose from. Get creative and choose plants that fit your style and personality. And don't forget to mix and match different plants for a beautiful and a unique display. With these amazing hanging plant ideas, you can transform your home into a green oasis. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned plant enthusiast, there is always something new to learn about outdoor hanging plants. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing home and garden ideas.